Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. In this video, I'm going to be doing my little Ipsy BoxyCharm haul for you guys. If you guys want to see what I got in June's month, just keep on watching. So Ipsy and BoxyCharm, they merged together, so now it's Ipsy Boxy, I'm not sure. So you can get the Glambag, this is still $13, and then you can get the subscription box with 5 full-size items for $28, and then you can get the other tiers, the icon box, which is quarterly, and that is for $58 a month. So let's get right into this cute little bag. I like the bag. It's like a mesh bag. It's like good for the gym. It's so like nice and soft. Like, see, you can like throw it around and it's really nice. So you get 5 sample size deluxe items, and I love these. These are great for traveling, and that's exactly what's happening right now, dropping things. So the first item is a micro delivery exfoliating facial wash. This is perfect for the plane. You just stick it in your bag and go. So this is really good. The next item is Nene La Pour. This is a body lotion. I think I was smelling it through the bag. Yeah, it smells really good. It smells like vanilla almost. There's a code on it if you want to get a free gift and 50% off. NL50, and this is a 30 milliliter 1 fluid ounce. Okay, so then the next item is Beyond Repair Leave-In Hair Treatment. So this is good to protect your hair for dry hair damage. You know what, let's go ahead and spray our hair with it. A million years later. So my hair is very dry because of all of the product and stuff that I use to get this color and then to cover up my grays. I have so much. Don't ever get old. Ew, I don't like the smell of it. Mark Anthony. I have to put something else in my hair. I don't think I like the smell of that. Anyways, the next item is a lip oil. Here it is right here. It looks like it's a full size. And then the last item is a duo eyeliner. So this is everything in my June Ipsy glam bag. Thank you, Ipsy BoxyCharm, for gifting me these items. This is the only item I'm not sure about. Still should read about it. It took a year and a day to open. Okay, let's get right into the BoxyCharm for the month. So the first item right here is a face oil. These are great for your face to keep them hydrated. It is by Clarity. The next item is by Farah. It's 2 face brushes. They're right here. I also have everything here on my Instagram and TikTok, so go check it out there as well. The next item is a double dripper half caked. This is a new launch item that they have. It's really cute. The packaging is so cute too. It's good for the Pride Month. So I thought that was really cute. It's a highlighter and blush duo. It's really pretty. Let's see if we could do a little swatch. Very nice. The next item is by Il Makiage. It is a contour palette, I believe. Oh no, sorry. It's an eyeshadow palette. It's a very nice neutral eyeshadow palette. The packaging on this is really nice. It's really heavy too. I have a few other items by this brand. I always see them advertised for their foundation. And the last item, I'm not really thrilled about it, is another JLo Beauty. This is That Hit Single. It's a gel cream cleanser. I got another item in my my past BoxyCharm, and it didn't do anything for me. It's supposed to be like a skin glow. This is just a face cleanser. I can't get it open, but these are everything that I got in my BoxyCharm this month. I'm really excited for the quad eyeshadow and the blush highlighter duo and the face oil. The brushes are, you can always use brushes. Well, that was everything I got. So I just want to say thank you, BoxyCharm and Ipsy, for gifting me these items. And the glam bag this month is great. I'm going to probably take some of those items with me on my trip. Yeah, I'm leaving like literally right now to go. So I will see all you birdies later. I hope you all are doing well and stay safe, and I will see all you birdies later. Bye.